Welcome back to my channel. This is Curvy Barbie J presents Cultivated Nails.
If I told you I could give you life, would you leave the boundaries of your mind? I bet you never even knew that there's a universe inside of you. Can I take you there and make it go by? Would you let me be your cat?
So first off, we have, let's see, I'm so excited to see, well, I know what's already going to be in the box because I've been stalking the Instagram page, so I know what's going to come in the box, but I'm just so excited to see it in person. Okay, so the first product we have is the IT brand, and it's a no white matte top coat. So I like that it's UV and LED, so everybody can use it. I'm glad that she includes products like that everyone can use. And it's just a matte top coat, and it cures under the LED lamp for 30 seconds and then UV for 2 minutes. So I'm excited to use that. I always like a good matte top coat. I like when it looks velvet, so hopefully this one looks like that. Let's see what the next item is. Okay, so we also have some Swarovski nail art crystals. These are really nice. I really like those. They're real shiny. I can't wait to do designs with that. Like, these are really nice. See, I'm already excited for this box. Like, I already knew what was going to come in it, but just seeing it in person is even better. Alright, we also have some Holo nail pigment. I mean, this is always good for a great unicorn nail. Like, I can do so many different designs with this as well. So this is another great product, and again, it's another full size product, so you're getting your money's worth out of this. And then we also have a 10% off coupon for Lisa Khan nails. So that's good. I like that she included a coupon. Now, I didn't know she was going to include a coupon in there, so that was a bonus surprise. We also have some nail foils. So these are some pretty fun patterns that I can do different designs with as well. I love nail foils. Nail foils is like the best thing they could have ever invented. Like, it saves time, it saves energy, all of that. We have some gel adhesive. So I'm glad this is included in the box, because this is another thing. Her boxes are usually themed. So all the products go with each other. So you see that the gel, we have the gel for adhesive for jewels, and then we have the Swarovski crystals. So I'm glad that she does pairings in her box so that you can use all the products together. We have, oh my gosh, we have some pixie crystals. So again, all this stuff goes together because you can use this gem adhesive to go along with these pixie crystals to adhere them to your nail. Just look at that. That is so pretty. I love pixie crystals. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Look at the top. I'm shaking around. So, let's see what else we have. Okay, so let's see. So this is a magnetic nail art stand. So what you do is it comes in two pieces and you stick it together and it sits like that, and you're able to stick a nail on there, a practice nail, and then you can practice nail art with it. Look at it. It's shining. I really like that too. That's cute. That's really cute to even look at and just to have on your desk. That's really cute to just have on your desk and look at, as well as practicing nail art. So I believe we're down to one more item. No, actually two. So we have the Lisa Kahn Soak Off Gel. It's in the color white. I mean, everybody loves a white gel polish. I mean, you can do so many things with that color, and it's also UV and LED, so you can use it for either type of lamp. And again, 2 minutes in the UV and 1 minute on the LED. So this is another product that is going to get used by me because white is a very important color to have in your collection of gel polishes. And then last but not least, we have some more nail art. So these are more charms. And like I said, I'm so glad that she included the adhesive for all these jewel products that she included in this box. So I'm very glad that she thinks these things out when she plans these boxes. So that's everything in the box. And by the way, this is a very cute box. I just like the color pattern with the soft baby pink and then the marble design. That's really cute. It's very clean design. I really like that. I am very satisfied with this box. I can't wait to try all of the new designs with all of the product that I have in this box. This is all the way worth $35. This is all the way worth $35. It's affordable. That's one thing I like. So this is, it's worth getting because you're getting all full-size products that go together, products that people like, products that people use. And so this is the August box, nail box by Red Iguana and April Ryan. So here's a visual for the Red Iguana website, and it's just showing where they have the Nailboxy subscription for $35 and then the individual one-time purchase for $38. And like I was saying, that is definitely worth the price since you're getting full-size items. When paying for the $35 subscription service, Afterpay is also an option that you can use for paying for those boxes. And then you have to be at 3 months minimum for the subscription, so you have to have at least 3 months that you're paying for, so $35 each per month. And if you want to cancel your subscription earlier than the 3 months, there is a $15 cancellation fee that will be charged. And you will be charged automatically on the same day you made an initial purchase. So when you first purchase your subscription, that's when you will be charged. And that would be monthly after that. So if I bought the boxes on September the 1st, then each first of the month for the next 3 months will be on the 1st is when I get charged for my box. And then it's just showing that she also offers previous boxes from other months too. So if you missed out on one box, you can always go back on another month and buy the box. I can't wait to post my next nail box review for September. So that should be really soon, because I got the information that my September box has shipped. I was kind of late getting my August video filmed, so I've been and had this box. I just haven't got to get this video filmed. So I'm going to be a lot sooner with my September video, so that should be rolling around soon. As soon as I get that box, I'm going to make sure that I get a video in for that one as well, because I'm so excited for the products that's coming in that one. So I can't wait to do another video.